Well, hello everybody on this beautiful cold day. But it is time for a Walmart Ibotta haul, Walmart couponing haul. It's crazy. But yes, I am at Walmart right now and it is early, so I don't know what I have for a weekend wear. But I have this grocery run and extra bonus. I have 25 rebates out of 48 and I am 23 shy of getting a $10 bonus, but I also have to redeem one offer from the online shopping category, so I don't think we're gonna hit this, but we will see what we get for the weekend warrior if I do get one. I know sometimes people get them, sometimes people don't. I don't understand. I for a while was not getting the weekly bonus, but I don't know. I just think it depends on how you hit your bonuses or how you coupon. I don't know. But we're going to go inside and have some fun. There is some great deals with Shopkick and Ibotta. I'm kind of mad with Fetch Rewards right now because a lot of the Unilever brands are not popping up. You're not getting points for them. And then when you like type in Dove, because there's Dove candy and then there's Dove like shampoo, conditioner, hand soap, the regular Dove does not pop up. The candy does, but it doesn't. But then when you scroll down, they have Dove hand wash. So I don't know what's going on with Fetch Rewards, but I'm like so close to like messaging them and be like, what the heck? This app used to be awesome and now it's like, I don't know. I'm just kind of not like super happy. I mean, the points are just not worth it anymore, but I don't know what's going on. And yes, they are in my town and I drive past them every single time I drop my kids off at Grandma and Grandpa's, but I don't know. But we're not going to worry about that today. We're going to go inside and have some fun couponing. So here we have the Always Discreet for $5.67. Now it is the one that is this purple one. I scanned the pink one, this does not work, it's the purple one. So you're gonna buy two of these for $5.67, pay $11.34. But we currently have two different Ibotta rebates. We have a 5 off of 2, and then we also have a $2 Ibotta rebate. So you'll end up getting $4 back with this. So you get $9 back in total, making us $2.34 or just $1.17 each, which is a great deal. So here's a great deal. We have the Colgate Plaque Pro Release for $7.96. You're going to pay $7.96, but you can submit your receipt to the Shopify app or probably Alexa or Swagbucks for $4 back. Then you can also submit your receipt for $4 back with Ibotta. This ends up becoming a 4-cent moneymaker. So here's a great deal on hand soap. So you want to get one of the antibacterial ones for $3.97 and a regular one for $3.97. Altogether you would pay $7.94 for two of them. But we actually have some great deals with tons of different apps. So here with Fetch Rewards, you get 1,000 points when you spend $4, so that's $1 for that. Then there is a deal for the regular soap where you'll get 310 kicks, which is $1.24 for that. Then we have the antibacterial, again 310 kicks, which is $1.24. Then in a different section in Shopkicks, I found this deal where we get 125 kicks for purchasing it and then 10 kicks for scanning it. So for 100, and I did the math wrong, but I thought it was 5. But for 125 kicks, it is 50 cents, and then I'm assuming this is like 53 cents. But you can get this with the limited 2, so you're going to submit your receipt for that. So altogether, when you, and then you also get the Ibotta rebate, which I don't know if I pointed that out, but you also get the $1 back with Ibotta rebate times 2, so that's $2 back. So altogether, this comes out to be $1.44 or 72 cents each. So here we have the Axe Extra Large Body Spray for $6.88. Together you're going to buy two of them. You will pay $13.76. But here we have a $3 Ibotta rebate with a limit of 5, so you'll get $6 back with Ibotta. And then you can also submit your receipt to the Shopify app where you'll get $7.50 back with 2. Those just come out to be just 26 cents or 13 cents each. So here we have the Dove Men Care Fresh Clean for $4.98. Now we currently have a $4 off of 2 insert coupon that I got from our inserts like 2 weeks ago. So you're gonna use that coupon. You will end up paying just $5.96. Well, here we get $1 back with Ibotta, so I'll get $2 back when I purchase the 2. Then I also have a Shopkick deal, but it's not popping up. It says I don't get any points, but when I go to submit my receipt, it says I get 275 kicks, which is $1.10. So altogether, you're gonna pay $5.96. You're gonna get $3.10 back with Ibotta and Shopkick, making these just $2.86 or $1.43. Not the greatest deal, but still, it's still more than 50% off, which is a better deal. So here's an awesome deal for the Covergirl eyeshadows. These are $4.44. We currently have a $3 off coupon. I think it's from this past Sunday or the one before that. But you're gonna end up just paying $1.44 for that. But then with the Ibotta app, there is a $2 Ibotta rebate, making this just a 56-cent moneymaker, which is an awesome deal. So here we have the Airwick Duals. You want to get the 2 packs for $9.94. You would pay $9.94, but here we have an Ibotta rebate with a limit of 1 for just $5, making it just $4.94 or $2.47 each, which is a pretty decent deal if you guys want to go do that. So here we have the Raid Essentials Light Trap for $18.98. Yes, $18.98. You will pay $19.88 for it. But we currently have an Ibotta deal where you get $10 back, and then you also can submit your receipt to the Shopium app or Swagbucks or Alexa, however you guys want to do it, for $5 back. This comes out to be just $3.98. My mom was asking for this, so I'm gonna get this for my mom. So here's a great deal for Ritz toasted chips. These are $3.92. You're gonna buy 2 of them. You will pay $7.84. But we currently have a $1.25 rebate with Ibotta with a limit of 5, so you guys can do this. And then we also have a double rebate where here we get $2 back when you purchase the 2. So basically you'll get $4.50 back, making this just $3.34 or just $1.67 each, which is a great deal. So here we have the Keebler cookies. Now, some of them are not all available for this deal, but these are $3.38. You're gonna pay $3.38, but we currently have an Ibotta rebate for $1.50 with a limit of 5. This comes out to be just $1.83. Hold on, I did that deal wrong. It ends up becoming just $1.88, which is a pretty decent deal if you guys need some cookies. My favorite ones are these, and these ones do not count, but definitely a great deal if you guys need some cookies. So here's a decent deal for Lucky Charms. This is my cereal of choice lately, but these are just regular price, $3. You're gonna buy 2 of them. But we currently have a Swagbucks, or not Swag, Shopium coupon for $1 off of 2. And then we also have an Ibotta rebate, which I gotta get it, for $1.50 back when you purchase the 2, making these just $3.50 or just $1.75 a box, which is pretty decent considering these prices are ridiculous. $6.48 for a box of cereal. That's crazy, but you'd have to figure out like what the ounces are between the 2, but I'm still going with this deal. So here's a deal that's been around for a while. We have the Captain Crunch red, white, and blue for $4.78. Then right here on the top shelf, we have the Halloween Captain Crunch. I've been waiting for this to go on clearance, but it hasn't. but those are both $4.78. But here you can get a $2 Ibotta rebate back, making it just $2.78 for a family size box of cereal, which is a pretty decent deal. I'm gonna actually reach up on top and grab one of those Halloween ones. So here we have the macaroni and cheese deal. You guys know I've done this deal for the last couple weeks. I kind of am macaroni cheesed out, but I'm not going to pass up this deal. We're going to get the Wakanda Forever macaroni and cheese for $1. There's currently a 10-cent any pasta deal, and then there's also a 50-cent Ibotta rebate deal. This just comes out to be 40 cents. So 40 cents for a box of macaroni and cheese is a great deal if you guys need that. I might come back to do the rest of these, but you guys know what, there's a 20-cent rebate for those. And also, I have a question. Should I do a taste test of what the difference is between this one and that one? I'm just curious to see if the Walmart brand is just as good. I don't remember these being here, but I could be blind. If you guys are interested in a taste test review of both, let me know. So here we have the Dunkin' Cold Brew Concentrate. It's in the regular coffee aisle. My store says it's not on file, but when I scan the item, it shows that it is on file. So I don't know, but it is $7.98. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pay $7.98, but we currently have a $4.25 Ibotta rebate that you guys can get. And then I already screenshotted that. And then we have a 10-cent any rebate. So this ends up becoming just $3.63 with that 10-cent any Ibotta, any coffee deal. So if you guys are interested in that, it's an okay deal. My husband wants to try it, so I'm getting it for him. So here's a great deal on ketchup. So here we have the ketchup. It is the 38 ounces for $4.48. Now, I scanned the item, and I did this last week and I was gonna do it, but here we have the Art of the Burger tomato ketchup. My store had one of these on the shelf. I scanned it, and then I scanned the one right next to it, which was one of these bottles, and both these deals came up. So it's just a label that you're paying for. So basically, you're gonna get one of these for $4.48. You're gonna get that $1.50 Ibotta rebate, and then there is a 50 cent Ibotta rebate for this. So this ends up becoming $2 off. So this comes out to be just $2.48. My husband's kind of a brand name when it comes to ketchup, so if you guys are interested in that, you got 2 Ibotta rebates, which is a great deal. Yes, I am back from Walmart. It was so good, like, shopping without kids. Like, I absolutely love it. Like, I just take my time. But they did have some candy deals with Ibotta, and I was scanning some of the candy stuff in the Halloween section, but nothing was really popping up for Ibotta rebates. But yeah, definitely check out that stuff if you guys need it. I need to get some Halloween candy soon, but I always used to get my candy at CVS, and then I just got sick of couponing at CVS. It just wasn't worth my time. But let's share with you guys what happened at Walmart. So I had 2 paper coupons. I had that 4 off of 2 Dove coupon. That one scanned just fine. It was like weird on it, like something popped up, but then when she looked at the product, it did show that the coupon came off. And then I used the Covergirl coupon. The Covergirl coupon said that I didn't get the right product. It said that I can't use it on the eyeshadow, the 1 shadows. It doesn't say anything about the 3 or the 4 shadows. So she just entered it into the system. I did scan that with the Shopium app, and it wasn't popping up as a coupon either. So just giving you guys a heads up, if your store is kind of wonky on coupons, don't use it. I haven't used paper coupons at Walmart in forever. I've been just going pretty much 100% digital. Every once in a while I'll buy a newspaper, but I've just been doing 100% digital lately because coupons are expensive, especially in my area. They want like $5 a paper, and that is expensive. But I still wanted to share with you guys with that deal. So I got everything that I shared with you guys. Everything worked out fine except those 2 items. I scanned all my receipts. I did not get a Weekend Warrior. I did not get one. I had to like restart my app several times because usually it pops up at 8 o'clock, and no Weekend Warrior popped up. So I'm like, okay, that's good. I mean, it's not good, but I'm like okay with it because I'm like, if I do get a weekend warrior, most likely it'll be 18 rebates. And I'm like, if I do need 18, I'll just go back and get some more macaroni and cheese because I have so much macaroni and cheese. It's crazy. But I didn't get a weekend warrior, which was fine. I ended up getting 15 rebates, 15 or 16 rebates. It was 15. Well, look at that. I got 15. No, I got 16 rebates. Yeah, because I had that any. So yeah, my total came to $112.78. With Ibotta, I received $56.45 for all that stuff. Fetch Rewards, I did submit my receipt and I got 2,640 points. That is $2.64. Now, those hand soaps that I got were $3.97. It says spend 4, you get 1,000 points. If I spent 6 cents more, I would have gotten another 1,000 points. So just giving you guys a heads up, if you're eyeing something like that up, definitely try to see if you get something a little bit more for 6 cents for another $1 more. But $2.64 is what I got. I actually got bonuses for the Lucky Charms. And then I can't remember what else. I got 1,500 points for Colgate. I needed to spend like 15 bucks apparently, and I did hit that, so I ended up getting like $1.50 back with Fetch Rewards. So that was a bonus I was not expecting. Shopkicks, I did receive 1,040 points, which is $4.16, so awesome. Shopium, I got $17.50. I submitted my receipt for the Raid, the Plaque, the Axe, and then the Lucky Charms, so $17.50. My grand total came to $32.03, so not the greatest. I usually try to get it under 10 is my goal, but $32.03, and I'm okay with that. Like, I mean, considering that Raid thing was 20 bucks just by itself and the Febreze was $10, I'm like, okay, $32.03 is an okay money. And I never use my own money. I always use like my Ibotta money or other rebates for that stuff. But I got 21 items, and if you think about it, it's like $1.56. $1.52 each, so not the greatest deal. I did end up saving $87.75 for my haul, so I still think of it as a win. So I'm pretty excited for that. But yeah, I just try to get some different things than usual, especially like food deals, and I want to get more food deals, but some of that stuff is just my store doesn't carry it, or it's just way too expensive. It's all the fancy schmancy stuff and we don't do it. But it was nice getting a double rebate for the, I did get the double rebate for the Ritz. I did get the double rebate for the ketchup. And I don't know if there was another double rebate. Oh, and for the Always. So, 3 double rebates is a great deal. I know some of you guys don't like doing that stuff. It is all up to your discretion if you choose to do that or not. Everybody coupons on their own, but I'm here to help you guys every way possible. Everybody is hurting. Most everybody is hurting, and I'm here to help you guys. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I would love it if I could hit 60,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I don't think that's going to be possible, but if you guys could surprise me, that would be awesome. But make sure you guys have an awesome weekend. Let me know if you guys got a weekend warrior. I would love to know. But like I said, it is a hit or miss if I get it or not. It's been a while, but I only need two more rebates for that $10 bonus, but I got to buy something online. So I'm like, what can I buy online that I could get my $10 bonus? We will see. And then I could hit the $10 at Walgreens on Sunday. So we will see. But make sure, again, you guys give this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. And I will see you guys next week for a Walmart Ibotta haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.